Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're going to talk about a story problem about ducks in a pond. So here's my story problem right here. There are 8 ducks swimming in the pond. 4 fly away. How many ducks are left? I'd like you to think about what needs to be done to show this story with my picture. Here I have a pond, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ducks are swimming. What would I need to do to show that with this picture? We started with 8, 4 fly away. I'm going to put 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those ducks flew away. Now I can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 ducks still swimming in the pond. So the answer to my question is there are 4 ducks left in the pond. I can write that out using numbers and a number equation, and it would look like this. 8 ducks swimming in the pond. I take away, that is the symbol for take away, it's minus, and I put a 4 there. I'll space that out a little so it's easier to see. 8 take away 4, or I could say 8 minus 4 equals 4. That's my number sentence to go with my story problem.